गाइस हम जा रहे हैं सुकृति और प्रकृति के घर पे। मैंने सोचा कुछ सरप्राइज करते हैं। व्हाट बेटर देन गेटिंग सम छोले। लेट्स गो। भैया 2 प्लेट छोले भटूरे कर दो और 2 मसाला छाछ। तो चले भाई, चले। हाय।
Hi.
How are you?
Good, good. Come.
How sweet! Thank you. Wow, you're gonna like make me skip the diet today.
मेरे को लगा कि तुम लोग डाइट पे होगे, but
Dude, giving a Delhi girl chole kulche is
Yeah.
like now we're very good friends.
हाँ ना?
Hi,
Sagar, how are
nice
you?
to meet you.
मुझे
Very
पता
good.
था तुम लोग के लिए छोले कुलचे
He's
लाए।
got oh wow! Yeah, that's so sweet.
How is it going?
Good. When the camera
I've been looking at your work for a very long time. Like in fact, I don't know if you all remember, but
No, I'm not.
I know like you all were promoting songs kabhi back then, or just getting into like a common friend is Jay Bansali.
Oh.
Yeah. So I used to work with Veda.
JP. Oh, you used to work with.
Not work like I was
Yeah.
freelancing. I'm
Okay.
also a music producer, so
Oh, that's
not
cool.
anymore. This is my life now.
Yeah, that's cool.
Fair.
That's a very small world. JB
Yeah,
is like
yeah.
one of our best friends.
I figured because Mitibai, I think.
Mitibai,
Yeah.
Mitibai
Yeah.
girls, yes.
Yeah.
We dropped out in BMM. So we
Dropped
did,
out.
We're dropouts, yes.
Let's save the stories.
UGC guy.
Yeah, a lot of A&R people meet me and like, bro, तू A&R का काम कर रहा है.
No, but it's
Yeah,
really your
exactly.
profession. I mean,
I think this is the first time y'all can actually check out where
it's
we...
also the first time you're taller than me.
Yeah, you should just probably wear shoes.
Yeah, we love it. We're still home.
Okay,
So Sagar, welcome home.
Yeah. Thank you so much
Welcome
for
home
having
and thank you for this amazing lunch that we will have in some time. And this is our living area, which is, you can see,
me. I know, like,
this is the kitchen that we never use.
immediately fell in love with the
And
couch.
yeah, I think it's kind of clean-ish.
Like,
If I knew we were shooting a home tour, I swear I would start cleaning at like 10 in the morning.
This is where
what
we
is
did-
this?
So actually when we moved into this house, we realized that, you know, we've done the interior so well, but it doesn't have any
Your
reference or
element.
context
Yeah.
of us. Like we, you know, who lives in the house, there are no
Yeah.
pictures. So this is actually given by Sanjay. He's our photographer. He travels with us for every concert. He shoots all our fashion pictures. So usi ne actually housewarming gift diya tha.
This is crazy
So-
and nice big.
Yeah, it's quite big.
You might have first thought कि इसको कहाँ डालें.
Yeah, but
And then
then
the whole vibe of the house is like only monotones, right? So I think this was like giving it some color.
Colored.
actually, so this room was the master bedroom and this was the smaller room, and we had to actually, because we were like, we both need rooms of at least the same size.
Because the idea was to not live here completely. Idea was to use this place as a recording studio and a
Yeah.
pad and do our meetings and shoots. But then I think once when we were doing the interiors, we got so tempted and we were just like, let's just take all the clothes and stay there. Weekends we can go back to our parents' house, but now we actually live here.
This is a living studio situation.
Yeah.
Half our clothes and jewelry and everything is still in the old
Yeah.
house because यहाँ पे ज़्यादा fit नहीं आ सकता. Bombay house.
Nice.
Yeah, and I guess this is just where we click selfies every single day. This is like the
I
place.
don't know where you got this from.
Oh, I'll tell you the best part. It's a slimming mirror. You know.
Yeah, it makes you a little taller and a little leaner.
Wow,
A little
man,
leaner.
it's like
Yeah.
that. You go to
pretty
that
cool.
mirror maze.
Yeah.
It's good for the self-confidence
Huh.
before you leave the house.
This is actually a brand
I can
called
have,
Love
like,
December. So
Love December.
Love December,
Yeah.
they do a lot of funky mirrors.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of bright, but it's kind of like very me. Has better lighting
Like-
usually, but I'm clearly very
I like that
organized.
you've set like a color tone.
Yeah.
Like it's different from the living room.
Yeah, I mean it's kind of the same vibe.
If you guys think this is a mess, then I don't know how you will fix it up.
No, it just looks a little better because you don't see all that there every day. You know, if I knew it's a
मुझे तो
home
सब
tour, हम
normal लग
सुबह
रहा
उठ के साफ कर रहे होते हैं.
Yeah, there's just a lot going on. I don't use everything every day. Just saying, it's just
It's nice.
a lot. Yeah. And moving on, we go.
This is my room. It's clearly a little cleaner than Sukriti's.
अच्छा, हाँ. अभी तुम्हें टाइम मिला ना करने के लिए?
Yeah, I mean, it's nice. This is like my little swing situation.
Okay, how
Got
often do you
roses on
actually
it.
use it?
I actually use it a lot. You know, I feel like I've been using this more in the monsoons than I plan to, because it's just really nice. We open the windows and you know it's a nice rainy day. This is where I spend a lot of my time thinking. This is essentially my recording setup, which is in a really bad space, but कल ही use हुआ था ये. I have to just put it back in place, but this is my lifeline. इसके बिना कुछ record नहीं होता है. And most of the vocals that you actually hear in our songs are recorded on this special mic. So this is our little baby. It's not No, it's our baby. Yeah, this is just where I do my makeup.
The light
very
on point.
Yeah. This is
We take lighting very seriously. I think everything depends on that.
Everything that you want to hide and not crowd, you just put it all inside and you shut it. And yeah, this is basically my, you know, where I record my songs, where I do my makeup, when I want to do anything which doesn't involve sitting on the bed. And that's just a little bit of my room.
Which Prakriti actually never uses, because every night she'll just come back into my room and sleep. Yeah. And like I'll wake up and like she's sleeping next to me. And
No, I hate the idea of sleeping alone. Like I like my own space, but मुझे रात को like I need like body touch. And I also can't sleep in complete darkness. That's why you'll see so many lamps. These are not blackout curtains for a reason. Can't sleep in complete darkness.
Cool stuff, यार.
let's be on the way.
चलो.
Thank you for having us.
We have Sukriti and Prakriti Kakkad with us today, and हम लोग इसके पहले थोड़ा चिल कर रहे थे उनके घर पे, right? And भाई क्या घर बनाया है?
Thanks यार.
And मुझे थोड़ा सा बुरा लगा है. आपने छोले नहीं खाए.
But we're saving it for that point जब हमें actually ज़्यादा भूख लगे.
Let it marinate with the
a
masala
little
more, है ना?
We'll relish it after that.
But thank you so much for being so sweet and getting lunch for us.
It's my pleasure.
Now it's proper lunch time in a bit, so we will break and we'll properly eat it together. So
yeah, I took a very like a wide guess. Y'all are from Delhi.
yeah.
क्या पसंद होगा?
I think छोले भटूरे किसको पसंद नहीं है. So thank you. We're just looking forward to our lunch now.
Nice. How have you been? Like, how's it going?
It's constantly going. Actually, it's such a deep question to start the podcast.
हाँ, मतलब I meant कि how did you start your day today? What's happening?
Okay.
Today.
है ना?
Today started with you only.
Wow,
had
you
a
like
late
dedicated a whole day for me.
Yeah, we got ready and everything, and then
Crazy,
you're the
crazy,
first person we met today. So
No, the moment I got to know that you guys are, being part of this, I was like fanboying type, like because I've been seeing your work for a very long time. Very honest. I told you, right?
Yes.
We have mutuals, and I've seen you grow from your journey to what you all are right now.
Yeah.
And it's amazing to see you guys feature in some of the craziest songs that we are hearing, we are partying on, and it feels good to have you here.
How
Thank you
sweet.
so
That's so kind. Thank you. And today, in fact, we realized we have a lot of mutuals.
Yes.
So, and we are Facebook friends.
Yes.
and we're millennials.
Yeah.
Correct.
It's a great start.
Facebook.
Yeah.
When I think 3 people are talking about Facebook, then we're definitely millennials.
Yeah.
You know, who uses that? I mean.
Yeah, exactly. वो अलग बात है that we haven't gone on the app in so long.
Like how often do you say like we're Facebook friends?
Facebook.
You don't say that
That's
anymore.
10 years back.
Yeah.
My God. But I will deep dive into it.
Oh yeah. Please.
Yeah.
I was saying your journeys have been like a hockey stick graph. Like, has that always been like a plan for you all? Matlab, I want to go back a little bit.
What does a hockey stick plan mean?
Hockey stick graph, I'm saying.
Okay. Graph.
कि मतलब होता है ना कि मैंने आज start किया है, I want to do this as a career, and a lot of people face here and there. But मुझे I'm a very layman to your journeys, ठीक है?
Yeah.
कि for me you all have like always jumped it. Has it been like that? Ki
I just think like in a creative journey of any kind, you know, there are every day is different, you know, and because every day is different, every year is different, and especially for the both of us, क्योंकि हम कॉलेज से ही हम गा रहे हैं, I think कॉलेज से, and then we pretty much also started professionally singing when we were 19-20 years old, right? And
Yeah.
now, should we just say how old we are?
Yeah, I mean,
We're 29 now, so it's been a lot of years, and I just think until now we've had a different kind of a journey, and after every 3 to 4 years you have to reinvent, and because music industry वैसे भी इतनी evolve कर रही है. When we started, of course, there was no independent music. There was non-film के नाम पे there was not much that, you know, people even had in their playlists, or it was not a thing in
I don't think
India
playlists
really.
also were a
Playlist
thing
कहाँ
that
नहीं
time.
थी.
Playlist नहीं थे
Yeah.
तभी.
But you know, like a few songs that you would like to listen
Right.
to. So we kind of are coming from an era where, you know, music obviously just became digitalized and Instagram was just becoming into a thing. So I feel like because the industry has been so ever evolving, we've also had to shape our careers according to the times, to keep up with the times. And I think that's why every 4 years in our career it's been different, and I think we're on this journey where we're going to keep evolving.
Yeah.
Now we're doing independent music. We were never musicians per se. Pehle we were just singers.
Yeah.
Now we're slowly
I didn't
becoming.
know that you're not musicians. I always assumed that you are musicians.
Yeah, but you know, that's the thing, right? Musician is such a broad word, and it gives so much respect to an artist as opposed to just being singers. And we, like, you know, Prakriti said, we grew up at a time when we saw all these when indie pop was indie pop, right? So
Yeah.
like we wanted to become a singer because we saw people like KK, Shan, Alisha Chenoy, like these were the people that we grew up around who used to do their own music videos, and we were like, this is what we want to do when we grew up. And then when we did grow up, I remember there were a lot of these you know, reality shows back then, like there was Viva, and there were all these like band boys.
Asma.
Yeah, but I remember we wanted to be a part of those things so bad, but we were very young that time and we weren't
Pop
18.
culture तो वही था ना at that time for us.
Yeah.
So we used to have conversations as, you know, teenagers that how to be a part of Indian pop. And as in how we grew up and we slowly became that age when we wanted to make this into a profession. तब सिर्फ Bollywood music था.
Huh.
So it was just very difficult for us because we were like, if we have to sing, we have to sort of fit in this mold. Because
Right.
we'll always be singing for a character. We'll not be
You're
singing
talking
for
about
ourselves.
what age? Like this was what age?
This was around 2014-15 when we actually debuted with our first songs in the movies.
Right.
And in fact, very interestingly, so Prakriti and I debuted in the same year, which was 2015.
Yeah.
And you want to talk about your debut?
It was
Because,
like this is all like unplanned, right? This is just
this is all unplanned.
this is happening randomly.
I mean, this is happening because it's also happening through a lot of other things that we were doing at the time. So, one way Sukriti and I used to make our pocket money was singing in studios for different ad jingles and
Yeah.
backing vocalists and
Chorus was
So,
such
a lot of
huge part of our life.
I think that's been most of our training.
Mom, in fact, अभी भी क्योंकि हम twins हैं, हम बहुत साथ में बात करते हैं. We always say the same thing, and it's actually very funny. Like you're saying something and we'll say it together. So Mom, since forever, it's like she calls us chorus singers.
And she used to get so irritated because, you know, I think when you're a mom of twins, you want कि दोनों बच्चों की अलग थोड़ी personality
Yes.
हो, थोड़ी, you know, you want them to be their own individuals. And since babies, it's not like we're doing this on purpose, but we used to say the same thing at the same time,
like
in the
a-
same pitch.
Yeah.
Synchronized
So,
Yeah,
genetically.
so when we actually used to get to sing chorus, we used to be very happy because we were at least getting to sing together. Otherwise,
And telepathy तो है ही बचपन
Yeah.
से.
Yeah.
So
I want to hear more about that later. Telepathy. wala.
yeah. So yeah, we did chorus and we did background scores for a very, very long time. And in fact, we used to enjoy it so much.
Yeah.
And I think from there only, we used to be very active in school and college. And we used to sing everywhere. So, you know, when those celebrity judges used to come and judge like a singing competition. We used to MC the event, and then
Wow.
later try to network and like, you know, get to know them and tell them, you know, I really sing, I would love an opportunity, can I come down to the studio, those
And
sort of
most
things.
Like,
times they would
at
say,
it, like we want to be
Hustling,
there.
yeah.
You know, hustle culture before hustle existed types.
Yeah.
No, I just think Suku and I have always loved the idea of being on stage. You know, like वो stage fright वाला concept हुआ ही नहीं है life में ज़्यादा.
God.
And I think I
मुझे
have
हुआ
to-
है, okay?
तुझे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है, but I feel like, you know, as we had very supportive like teachers and professors in college, and they used to always encourage के, you know, come on stage, MC the event, talk to the guests, talk to the audience. So all that we did so much of in school and college that it just became something that we started loving at a very, very early age. So now I feel like stage is still home. It feels, you know, like when we attend concerts also, we're so like tempted to, you know,
Go on
go on
stage.
stage and just do something, you know. So I just loved the idea of always being on stage. But जब college में ऐसे events होते थे, we used to always socialize and try to network and at least, you know, give them your number. So if there's a
Right.
recording in the future, at least they think of you and stuff like that. And that used to really work.
And that's, I think, pretty much what happened the first time we ever, you know, got to go to a studio.
When was this?
This was, I think, around 2013 or 14. And you must have heard of Sangeet Haldipur. He was in Asma, the band.
Correct.
And he was, in fact, the first person. We did a band competition in college or school. I think it was Horlicks Biscuits करके एक होता था
Oh,
बहुत
I remember
बड़ा.
this vaguely.
Yeah.
So he'd come to judge it, and we had a band in school, and हमने I think कोई Disney का गाना गाया था. I remember this actually. It was a song called "Send It On"
By
with
Miley Cyrus.
Miley and Selena Gomez, and you
Oh,
know
did you-
the
did
Jonas
you-
Brothers.
Did you like grow up watching Hannah Montana and stuff?
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're
yeah.
completely
है ना?
those
We
kids.
were those.
Yes.
Yeah.
Crazy. Now I see the millennials vibe कर रहे हैं basically.
Yeah. And funnily so, he called us to the studio, and that time our first project that we ever worked on in life, I think professionally, was Camp Rock. You remember the movie?
Yeah.
Jonas Brothers
हाँ, of
again.
course.
तो उसके हिंदी versions बन रहे थे उस time.
You all did that?
Yeah.
So we did start our career with Disney. So in that way, I feel like, you know, that was like that little stamp on our
Crazy.
career graph that
I'm
at
just-
least Disney.
I
is
don't
a
think
part
it's
of it.
anywhere on the internet also
Huh.
anymore.
I'm just wondering why Disney India never got a show on y'all. So they fit for it, right? I mean,
Yeah, are we too old for it now?
I don't know.
I don't know. I haven't seen this, but I mean, forever Disney girls, I
Yeah.
guess. So, वो
Would-
I
actually
think
सबसे
before
पहले
YouTube and Netflix and all, like Disney Channel was just Disney.
I think we knew the timings कि कितने बजे क्या
Yeah.
आने वाला
yeah,
है and
100%.
all that.
Yeah.
It was, yeah.
You guys were talking about like performing in college and stuff. How, like, obviously performers हो पहले से किए, but academically कैसे थे?
I'd like to say I was very good because I was, मतलब,
Give me an
I
example of very good, like.
I mean,
was
she got
90%
Ah.
type of student.
Listen,
yes.
93% in boards.
Yeah.
Wow.
I show off for her and me both because of her
But
percentage.
how was yours?
Mine was quite bad. I cried and all. So.
Quite bad. मतलब 85 is
Quite
not bad.
क्योंकि हमने एक
She's good.
No, I got 88.
That's
but I
not bad.
cried because हमने पढ़ाई एक साथ की थी.
Ah.
And like, you know, when your twin sister gets 90% and you know when they put all the सबके जो percentages होती है एक साथ on, and I was literally on the next page. So that really hurt like hell. And
Shit.
after that I was like, it can't be me, it has to be my handwriting.
Oh, definitely.
We studied
Probably
together.
जिसने check किया वो mood में नहीं था.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's that.
No, but I loved studying. It's so funny because I genuinely feel like I used to love studying.
you
I
miss
was a
it?
big nerd. And like if I literally had it my way, I would have loved to go and study, you know, like go to a university and all. वो नहीं हुआ मेरी life में, वो अलग बात है because I had to start working and, you know, like really like supporting our family at that time. But like I would have loved to go and study and do something out of that. I wanted to be a
still do
pilot actually. So ये तो अलग, it's for another day. But yeah,
That's-
I actually
yeah,
wanted to do something else.
I think again going back to millennial dreams were very
Yeah.
limited. मेरे को ऐसे लग रहा है.
Yeah.
So true.
That's
Half
so
the
true.
professions didn't
अभी
exist.
बच्चों
yeah.
को पूछोगे ना कि क्या बनना है, they have random answers.
Content
First is
creator.
YouTuber obviously. पहले तो YouTuber बोल देंगे कि मेरे को ये बनना है वो
They
बनना
are
है. They have
very
so many-
smart. if they know being that young how much money they can make on YouTube,
Yeah.
then they're on the right path.
Why are we sounding like we're very old, guys?
No,
What
let's-
is they and all? We're talking like,
Yeah,
we're also very young, guys.
yeah, we're
course.
very young.
Yeah.
मैं तो दिखता ही हूँ young. So you mentioned you had to support
Yeah.
your family and stuff. How was that like? If you're open talking about it.
No, of course. I think that's one thing. Also, I think we don't really talk about this too many times, but we are actually from Delhi, and we live in Bombay. It's been about 17, 18 years now. So
wow.
we've been here
You're
for a very, very
Mumbaikars
long.
now.
We're Mumbaikars, yes. But this has been a very long journey, and we're actually three sisters, and our elder sister is Akriti.
Of course.
She's been the first singer in the family, and like our inspiration to so many levels.
Saturday. Bro, we vibe on that song.
Yes, so many. Yeah. I think Uni ko dekh ke we were like, we got so inspired and we
Yeah.
wanted to be like her always. But when she was 17, she came to Bombay with my father, and mom and dad kind of had to, leave their jobs and everything because we were three sisters
Oh.
and we were in Delhi for a little bit. Mama ke saath, but hum sab saath mein, then we had to move to Bombay. And in fact, we moved to Bombay when we were 9 or 10. And then we never went back. We just started living as 5 people in Bombay.
You've
in
done
one,
your schooling also here.
yeah,
Pretty much. I think from fifth
See,
standard
synchronized.
to
Yeah.
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 it'll happen a lot.
But yeah, I think pretty much from that time we have been here, and I think you live with this feeling that your parents have sort of left their jobs and they've come here to support you. So it's only fair that you work very hard to justify their efforts,
Yeah.
and वही हमने किया है, and I think अभी भी कर रहे हैं. And I think there's no end to it, like I feel like when you're in a creative field, this is something that we've always prepared for, that
Yeah.
there will be disappointments, there will be rejections, but there will always be some days that make it all worth it. And gladly and fortunately, we have a lot of those days in our lives where you do a fabulous show, or you release a beautiful song that's been your dream, or you have a great day,
Yeah.
which kind of make it feel like it's all worth it in the long scheme of things, So yeah, I
Just
think
worked out
that's the
well,
journey.
yes.
Yeah, it works out. I think it works
Yeah.
out. Nothing is easy in life anyway. But I think when you choose a profession of your choice, then it's all worth it in the end.
Was there ever a plan B to this?
Honestly, like I mentioned when we just met,
by all talks, I don't feel. I already know the answer. कि plan B था ही नहीं, option नहीं था.
option ही
है ना?
नहीं था. I think.
But what is it? I want to hear from you.
I mean, we started our degree college like right after junior college, and we tried to go, I think, for a few months, and
Tried to go.
No, we tried our best,
Yeah.
I think at that time. But also, like I said, we were thoda working on the side, and like all of these things were happening. And then around the same time, we knew that either we can focus on music, or we focus on studying. And this was the time when a lot of new opportunities were coming in. I mean, I remember there was a US tour with Shankar Ehsaan Loy that
You
had
all
just
did that?
come up. Yes, and we were kind of singing on it, we were opening in a way. So that was there, 6-7 cities, which like it took like a month and a half.
This
easy.
was in your first year of BMM, you're saying?
Yeah.
Chodo BMM.
So, no, but I just think this was like an opportunity where you're on crossroads, and you kind of also feel like, if I leave this, is it worth it? Because actually, I'll tell you, to be really honest, in school there were a lot of opportunities, to do like a Disney show. Then there was an
Yeah.
opportunity to be a host on another channel at that point. And my mother has always been like, nahi, like at least you have to concentrate. And also, we were really good kids in school, and academically we were decent. So that was not an option. But I think when we came in college, we were just like, we've already left a lot of things
Correct.
in the past, and we were just like, no, studies first. But ultimately, if this is something you want to do, is it worth it? So we just took a, we made a choice at the time, and we were like, "Ki theek hai, this is an opportunity that I don't think we should let go of."
Leap of
Because if
faith,
anything,
yes,
it's just exposure.
Yeah.
Even if you're opening today, tomorrow you're gonna have your own tour, and this is how you do your homework. This is how you get to see the world. You get to do what you love.
No, but I feel like we learned so much on these tours, and I feel like from the best people in the industry, like the kind of experience we had, traveling, seeing these like living legends literally perform.
It's like an institution.
It's like going to school only. So I was like,
Yeah.
isse better, like, experience hoga hi kaise. So we finished that, and a few months later, Prakriti got a call to sing her, like, now, like, it was your debut song, but you
Yeah.
didn't know at the time it was going
At
to
the time, because I remember I was in college only, and it was just a very normal college day, and I got a call from Ankit Tiwari at the time to come in, for just a scratch.
Right.
Now, scratch is something like when you go and you sing a demo, and usually like a senior singer comes and sings it.
Correct.
So I would never say no to anything, because for everything in my life I've always considered as an opportunity. So I went in and I sang, and there were the producers of the movie and everyone, and it was a very serious setup, and I was given the song. I went behind the studio, I sang it. मैं बाहर आई, उन्होंने बोला कि Bipasha Basu is in the movie, and I was thinking like, obviously then my voice is not going to go, because she's
Yeah,
so
that
senior,
happens,
and
right?
this can't be my first song in my head. And then few days later, the song actually got finalized in my voice, because the whole team heard it together, and it was a song called Katra Katra.
We've heard.
Yeah.
Yes.
And it was it ended up being my debut. Of course, मैं बहुत सारे और भी scratches at the time गा रही थी, but the way that this happened was that this song released, and suddenly from just being a singer, you get mentioned not only on Instagram but on Google. Wikipedia also
Yeah.
changes your occupation, and it says playback singer.
Playback singer.
So you're suddenly like, wait, this just got legalized. It's official, like that I'm a playback singer. So after that, I was like, this is great. Now what do you do?
Oh.
Like how do you
Navigate
get your
from
next
here.
song?
Huh.
Like who calls you? Like how?
Correct.
Because then after that, I started giving interviews, and people were just like, when is the next song coming out?
I remember there was a Bombay Times article, like front page, and like you started crying right before that because you were like, how do you do this? What am I
Because it was
supposed to
very
do?
overwhelming. I was 19 years old, and in my head, I obviously wanted to be a singer, but then I had never planned so far ahead. Because
Careful
I
what
was,
you wish for.
Yeah. But for me, I feel like, I was like hustling or whatever. But the real struggle actually started after that. Because I had no idea what to do. I didn't have a manager. I didn't have anyone to ask anything from. So then everybody in interviews used to ask me like, okay, so what are you doing next? And I was like, I have no idea. I don't know what I'm doing next. I was doing stage shows. Of course, Sukriti and me were always doing stage shows.
Stage shows तो मतलब like I feel like we started really early on because I was like हम साथ में गाते तो नहीं हैं अलग-अलग movies के लिए कभी-कभी we get a call to sing but like at least we get to sing together on stage which was
Yeah, like
something
I've
that
seen a
was a
lot of
shared
your
activity.
stage shows. I've never seen you live. I wish someday.
We also really wish to play in Bombay soon.
You've not done a Bombay show?
We
Not
have.
in a bit, of course we have, but बहुत
It's been
time
a
से नहीं
while.
हुआ है. So
I'll
like a
manifest that for
public
you, I guess.
show
We're
in
manifesting
Bombay.
it right now.
Let's do that.
Yeah.
But this, like, to be honest, you're again, like being in a spot wherein you don't know what to do next, how to navigate. Were there people supporting in family, friends, helping out?
100%.
How was that?
I think mom and dad have been our backbone. अगर वो support नहीं करते तो like we wouldn't know only what to do. I think बहुत लोग बोलते हैं that we're so groomed. I feel like all of that comes from watching my elder sister, having a support system like mom and dad,
Yeah.
and also having each other. At the end of the day, like we're so happy that our entire family now is in Bombay, and we're not actually very close to any of our cousins or anything, but as a family of 5 and now 6, my sister's husband as well, we're very, very close knit in Bombay. So
That's
kuch bhi
nice,
hota
man.
hai, we always have each other's back. We're always supporting each other. Very rarely will we have a bad day and not talk about it.
Yeah.
So that way, emotionally, our family's always been there and very, very supportive. So, and now we also have lots of friends in Bombay. So we don't really miss
I
the
mean,
need of
17 years in Bombay. So.
Yeah.
Come on.
family friends hai kafi.
Ah.
Yeah.
But you both have reached to that point wherein you get papped and stuff, right? Hota hai na?
Yeah. I think now, because it's also been like a relationship with the media for so many years, and I can't even tell you how many PR people in our lives have come and told us that, listen, now they have known you for so many years, like now, because we've literally been like, young teens to now. So it's been a long association, and like we have also grown up, they have also grown up. It's just like we have to constantly keep reinventing ourselves in different ways, and it's fun. I think now it's reached a point where they can differentiate who's who.
I hope so.
And they, from calling us Sukupuku, they call us Supra. So
Oh.
things like they are also
Is that
seeing.
transitioning or what?
Yeah,
A
I
little
think that
bit.
is.
It's a little intentional now. Because I feel like Sukupuku is for home, yaar. Ghar ki baat hai, like
But-
Supra is a stage name.
But
so
I
we
think
have-
it will take time for that transition. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है because
Yeah, that's
Sukubuk sounds so cute. I mean,
Yeah. I mean, you can call us that with love. That's fine.
yeah, I was talking about being papped and criticism comes with that.
Yeah.
होता है?
Hota hai. I feel like,
yeah, I think gotta be ready for
Artist का life ही है ना मतलब वैसा हो.
Yeah, and I just think not just of about how you look. I feel like criticism kind of will happen with every song.
Yeah.
Like we've chosen this field and we are, of course, making songs for ourselves. We're doing what we love. But the day they release, they're not ours anymore, right? फिर तो उन लोगों के लिए
Audience
है
will
गाने.
figure it out.
So I feel like they have every right to like it or not like it. It's not yours.
Yeah.
It's your baby. It'll always be your baby. But at the end of the day, we release a song. Some people say they love it. Some people are just like, no, but I like the last one. Or you
Yeah.
can do better. So I feel like that used to pinch us initially. But now we've also grown up to realize that it's art. It's art. It's not supposed to be loved by everyone. And some songs are supposed to be loved more
Correct.
than the others.
but moreover, I feel like every song that we have released has somehow found a different audience. So, and every time, and I really believe like both of us love experimenting with our music. Like it has to be, every song has to be different, and every song ka soundscape has to be different. So whether we're doing like something that we just released, it's called Tu Kahe To.
Yes.
That's probably like our most semi-classical song ever. Like
With
when
the
it
most
comes to
unconventional
Correct.
production. Yeah.
That's a new sound, I would
Yeah.
say.
Yeah.
So everything
It's
we
fresh.
try to do something new each time, but like I know that the people who probably liked the previous song will not vibe with this more, and the
yeah.
people who vibe with this will not vibe on that, because there's just so many types of people,
Correct.
and everything kind of finds its own audience.
Like
So, but
I personally feel your song,
Yeah.
which is super underrated
Tell
and needs
me.
more love, is Zid.
yeah. It's
I was listening to
I
it.
love
and
knowing that though.
I think
Yeah.
it should have more years to it. Like
yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
I don't know, the numbers are not good enough for the work that you guys have done on it.
Yeah.
Because the melody catches on.
Yeah.
It just gets into your
it's
head.
definitely one of
Yeah.
my favorites also.
But like I feel the exact same way, that I still think it's super underrated. But the love that song has got now, like for me, it's just because we've always been with certain labels, and now that we're building our own label and we're building Supra, I just think that the love that's actually coming in for Zid has been the most organic love I've ever felt.
Oh, yeah.
Because
Yeah.
it's coming straight directly for us. So,
Correct.
like every reel, every mention, every comment, every share.
Yeah,
is
like
something-
numbers are not fake on it.
Ha,
So
ha, ha,
that is like really reassuring, because I feel like for the first time, if I'm seeing like 500,000 streams, or if I'm seeing like even 5,000 reels on Instagram,
Yeah.
like I know like 0 of them are bought, and people have
Because numbers can be so misleading.
Yeah,
you know,
they are
ultimately
misleading.
it's all fake.
We'll get to that bot part.
Yeah.
Where how because a lot of people don't know about
Yeah.
how that functions, right?
Yeah.
Because I am sort of a bridging between
Yes,
listeners
you
and
are.
y'all.
Yes, you
That's
are.
so true.
I know how things function, but बहुत लोग को नहीं पता है. You know.
किसी को नहीं पता. That's what ना. It's just very kind of misleading, and we've been on both sides.
Let's get into it.
So
अभी करते हैं.
yes.
Like you know, working with labels and independently releasing stuff has a wide difference between the numbers.
Absolutely.
Promotions में अलग पैसे लगते हैं.
I think budgets in general, like music video budgets also, everything.
सभी
Like
कुछ.
it's a full 360 change.
Right. So of course it's difficult for independent artists to match those numbers when you're up against big numbers like that. You have any suggestions or tips कि क्या करना चाहिए? Like you guys have a like independent label right now, Supra, right? Like how is Supra going to be different? What are your thoughts on it? Like क्या plan है Supra के साथ?
You know, honestly, like I think it's ultimately like it's Supra. It's got our names. It's an extension of our personality, our music, and all the madness that goes in our life. You know, content वहाँ पे vlogs भी होंगे, Q&As भी होंगे. There'll be songs also. There's going to be everything. There's going to be Get Ready With Me's. You know, like there's going to be all sorts of
So Supra
things.
will only be releasing your content only, like your releases.
I mean, we haven't
really.
thought it could be.
Not really.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Because ultimately we have to operate as a label, right?
Exactly.
And one thing that we have to do, because now it's a label, is to do the numbers game. And I don't mean like fake numbers. I mean consistency wala game we have to play. So there are going to be a lot of more releases. Not every song is going to have a fancy video, because ultimately it's independent. So I feel like our listeners and our followers also need to understand that there will be budget constraints, because it's a startup at the end of the day. It's not a fully funded big label. It will be big as soon as we have like a smash hit, you know. But ultimately till then we have to build. And at the same time, we need all the support from the people who followed us from our first song, because this is ultimately a very, very new project, even
But,
for us.
you know, I think what we're promising with Supra the most is consistency. And I feel like if you actually see our graph in the last few years, it would probably be like 2 or 3 songs in the whole year.
Right.
And that's something that we're going to change significantly now with us, because honestly we have so much music with us literally waiting on our
बहुत सारा
laptop.
होगा ना?
And I'm like, this, like, you know, an actual release even from my laptop to the world, like that's what I want to just accomplish with this, like more songs, like, and just more consistency. And you know, like the people who actually are listening, like proper followers, they're like, wow, we're getting a song every 2 months. Which is even new for us, which is new for them. So I think what we're just focusing on is just more content, more quality content, but more quantity also.
And different kinds of songs, you know. I don't want to be stereotyped in any way. Like, I don't want anyone to ever... A lot of people say different things,
Do you
know,
think
like...
people have like a notion towards y'all कि आप लोग ऐसे type के गाने बनाते हो?
I don't know. I feel like,
You
know,
tell
when
us.
we were... Yeah,
I
actually,
didn't
you
feel
tell
it.
us.
Yeah.
I didn't feel that because of the new segments that you.
Yeah.
I think there was a point where people were just like, you know, they make songs about heartbreaks and like boys and, you know, like the breakup anthems and all.
Correct.
Beech mein aisa tha, because that music did sound like that. But I feel like at least this is what we want to do. There's so much music inside of us that needs to be seen, and that music needs to see the light of the day.
Of course.
But it all is different. I feel like for me, my true satisfaction comes from doing something different from the last time. So I don't want to be in this bubble that, oh, she only makes music like this, or this is her sound. I want to do different things. I want to experiment. Different genres के साथ कुछ करना है जो मैंने पहले कभी कुछ किया नहीं है. I want to fuse different genres. I want to ultimately release pop music, but
with
how
new
different
sounds,
can pop be, you know?
Because I think audience is always wanting something new.
Yeah.
It gets a little monotonous after some time,
Yeah.
and then you drop something different.
Yeah.
That's like a experiment then.
I don't think anybody really knows the difference between commercial and indie. And when we actually talk about Indian pop, like India's only so diverse. There's so many kinds of, you know, music that can actually classify as pop. Like when we talk about Indian pop, it's not like it can be so many things, you know, but it has to be a little urban, it has to be a little Indian. And I feel like वो हम try करने की कोशिश करते हैं हमेशा कि melody थोड़ी Indian हो and production थोड़ी pop or western हो, because that's music for us. Like just classical music can be monotonous even for us.
Yeah.
But you know, we're Bollywood girls at the end of the day.
At
so,
heart.
At heart. So that little bit of the Bollywood genre will always reflect in our music, because that's
Yeah.
who we are.
I would-
That's what we've been.
I would love to see more music videos. Yeah, like from.
I know.
Why is it does not have a music video?
Everyone's
I was
asking
checking
this.
कि
I'm
visualizer
so
दिख रहा है
sad.
उनको.
Yeah, and you know, honestly, I feel like that song has got so much love because जितने भी लोगों ने reels या कुछ भी बनाए, सब लोग बोल रहे हैं यार, two questions. Why is this song not trending? And why does this song not have a music video?
See, that also comes with expectations, क्योंकि आपने
Yeah.
ऐसे music videos किए जो like
So true.
क्या से and all that, like
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
production level क्या था उसमें, and then they don't know the difference, ना?
But I
कि-
feel
don't know
like
the
that's
difference.
what like
expectations set हो जाती है.
Yeah.
But this is what like I feel like I want to put it out there because our listeners and our followers also need to understand the difference of just the budget constraints between
Right.
what is funded probably by a label and what is starting up a new label sounds like, which is you don't have the same
Good luck
funds.
trying to make them
you know?
actually see,
But
it's
a lot
difficult.
of people
Yeah.
don't
It's
understand it.
Yeah.
And we're actually facing it because a lot of people message, जितने भी लोग मिलते हैं, they ask the same question that, you know,
Yeah.
why don't you all have a music video for
But
Sid?
see, they're not in a mindset to understand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're
For
not.
them, you're an artist.
Yeah.
You
They
give
want
us
to
best.
see.
Yeah.
They
मुझे
want
नहीं
to see
पता.
the
Yeah.
music video.
Honestly, Zid was just a song that we wanted to just put out and then see the response, and then probably we'll still shoot a music video.
Yeah,
but
we'll
it
still
did like
probably do it.
way better than our expectations. So I'm just like, out of all the songs that we've released this year, that has done the most.
Correct.
So you know, maybe we actually go ahead and shoot a music video, but we're actually focusing on another music video right now. So I'm a little confused, but I think it's proved to us that that is more our sound than anything else. That is what like our listeners like hearing the most.
There's this thing that I wanted to ask you all directly, because I think you're the first people on this podcast जो मेरे मतलब you know like I have these idols in my life और उनके साथ आप लोग ने directly काम किया है. Like I know it's like okay for you all, but मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. मेरे
It's
को
not
पूछना
okay
है.
for us.
For us also.
मतलब आप लोग का भी वो fan moment हुआ रहेगा उनके साथ.
Yes.
So that's Arijit Da and obviously Badshah sir and Shankar Ehsaan Loy.
Wow.
Like
Yeah, I mean, it's
like how is it working with them in person, getting their guidance and all that?
It's, I mean, like who should we start with?
Yeah.
Because everybody has
Let's
been
go
like,
with Arijit sir. Like
Yeah. Honestly, if you ask anybody around me, anybody who knows me remotely also, he's my idol too. I
Yeah.
mean, I just love him so much. And I just think every song he sings is like a textbook that a singer I think should just read, because I think he's like the king of being versatile, right? He can sing every song, and there's just so much about him. Everybody who meets him keeps talking about him, and that's not just because of his aura, it's because of his personality and everything. And I think in my career, this has to be one of my biggest highlights, that I have a song with him, which unfortunately I didn't get to meet him for.
ah,
But you know, I did hear him back in the song with me. बस
Right.
उतना ही हुआ है. Interaction I think गाने के बाद हुई. I've just gone to him and told him that, you know, we have a song called Subha Subha together, and that's about it. But of course, the process of it, I was not lucky enough to hear
Yeah.
him do
Yeah.
his thing in the studio. But you know, again, fangirl forever.
yeah, but I've heard he's like the most humblest person.
Yeah,
you'll
I
ever
keep
meet.
telling every music composer that, you know, I ever get to sing for किसी के भी studio में जाके, and if they have a song with Arijit Singh, like I have gone and said that if he comes next time, I'll come with a textbook and no,
be a
I'll come-
fly on the wall and just be in a
fly.
corner and just
Yeah,
watch.
just take
Right.
notes and just watch him just for that experience. Unfortunately, I've not
वो नहीं
seen
हुआ
him
है.
in the studio ever.
Damn.
But
seen him perform a lot of times.
Yeah.
That though, matlab, so just every experience is just like
Yes,
supersedes
just
the previous one.
flawless,
So,
I mean.
yes. Yes, I've made him awkward.
There should be books
a
on
lot.
him. I don't know.
Yeah, there were books. We've actually made him very awkward once.
Kyunki,
There was this one show that we did in San Francisco. It was Ghana Music Festival, and there were a lot of artists. It was like a relay of a lot of artists performing, and Arijit Singh was also performing.
Okay.
Of course, closing. So we met him right after we finished, and before he was going to go up. And me and Suku met him, and I think for 10 minutes we were only talking.
Yeah,
And
of how much we love him.
We love your songs.
I think he didn't know what to say, but we were just like, just like constantly going and telling him like how much we love his music and his voice.
So
and
we
he was
overwhelmed
so,
him.
God.
he was so awkward.
Yeah, so awkward. He was that's all that happened. But I think he's just amazing. He has the same zodiac sign as us.
Oh.
हम
You
इतने
are a
बड़े
September
fans
born,
हैं.
right? नहीं.
No, May born.
May born. Okay.
So he's also a Taurian, we're Taurian. हम उसी में खुश हैं.
Okay. God. How about Bacha?
Wow. So, I feel like before, when we just obviously had heard Bacha's songs and we didn't know him, we had a very different perception of him as opposed to when we actually got to, work with him and get to know him. And in our experience, I feel like he is genuinely one of the most softest, most the most well-behaved human beings that we have. So shy also. So I feel like all
Bad
this,
boy Bacha?
Yeah, I feel like he's just.
I think he's
you
very
know,
meticulous when he's working, very strategic, very thought through.
Yeah.
Like the Bacha when he's probably not working as
Right.
opposed to Bacha in a studio or on set.
Yeah.
Is
Or even
so
on
different.
stage, yeah.
Even
Yeah.
on stage. So there are just so many different facets to his just personality and aura, which I think we got to so closely see because he's also a friend, right? At the
Yeah.
end of the day. So like that personality as somebody that you know closely and as someone who you're working with is so different, and there's so
Right.
much to learn from it because he's a genius. I
Yeah.
still remember when we were recording Kya Se together, he kind of goes into his shell and comes out with lyrics in 10 minutes, and it's like start to end the full song is ready.
What are you saying?
So the way I don't
we
know
were
what happens.
we were in Chandigarh for
Yeah.
this recording, and we knew that we had to do this song, and like we were also in Chandigarh, so we decided that okay, like we have to complete the song, and we have to start planning for the song. So I remember it was raining like crazy that
Delhi,
night, and he came to pick us up from our hotel. And first, before going to the studio, we went for this giri, and he showed us around Chandigarh and like all the cool places where people live and eat and all of that. So he was showing us like different things, and I think right after that it was also like raining like crazy. I remember it was a very dramatic night.
और फिर हमने
And-
क्या से लिखा था
Yeah.
and बनाया था उस दिन.
Yeah.
So of course we were just like there has to be water. So that's a very important part of the song. Has to be like a waterfall.
Beautifully shot that song.
Yeah, it was all him actually. It was
Yeah.
the cinematic experience that we went for was also completely his thought.
But I feel like he's just, a genius. He stays silent. He doesn't talk too much. And he doesn't, like, he's a man of very few words, I feel.
Yeah.
But when he talks, he just,
Says the right thing.
he says the right thing and he gives
Damn.
you, like...
And he's like when you meet him, he makes like I don't know how many songs every day. That's like a chalta phirta the explosion of talent. Like that, right?
Wow.
But to just kind of because we had not been in a session with him where we're making a song from scratch.
Okay.
I think before when we interacted with him, it's like going to the studio and likha hua hai gana and we just have to sing and go back home. But that was like the song was being made in front of us, which was a very different
It's a very
experience.
first-hand experience, yeah.
Yeah.
To just see him like make it and give the song so much character in 10 minutes.
How was your like preparation for Kya Se? Like it's well choreographed.
Yeah.
Did you all take time to learn that step, or are you like good dancers already? Because that's really well done.
No. I mean, honestly, this has been the one thing that Sukriti and I are finally changing this year. Because, of course, for us, the show business ultimately means sing, dance, act. It is that, like a performance is always a part of our music. Our songs have always been so dance-based. But unfortunately, like for all music videos that we've ever done, we've got like 2 days of rehearsal.
That's
and
it?
sometimes you have to improvise on set. So
This was probably a few more days.
this is
क्या
probably
say?
a few more days, but I
Maybe
think
5-6
this is
days.
what we're trying to change this year. This year we've added dance as a part of our live set also. So now we're
Oh.
fully in the swing of, dance.
So your shows will have like properly
Yeah,
choreographed
we started
sets
now.
and
It's
stuff.
been
started.
2-3 months, but now we
Nice,
have
yeah.
dancers traveling with our band, and it's honestly so much more fun. But Kyase was, I think, conceptualized by the team at Viral, where they were very certain that they want like an outdoor
Right.
location, and
And the team has to be from South,
Yeah.
so they can, because if you hear the song, it's got a very South Indian feeling
yeah,
to it. It feels.
It
and also
goes with the
composer-
location and
yeah.
everything.
Yeah, and the
Yeah.
composer is also the same
Right.
guy who's done
Manike.
Manike. So you hear that little
See
Sri
the sound
Lankan
different. Yeah, like the
flavors.
resemblance of
Sri Lankan
yeah,
vibes. And I don't know, they could just see a lot of water. So, and of course, the main star of the video, which was our beautiful elephant,
Huh.
and which
The
was
Bahubali elephant.
yeah,
Who was
Yeah.
quite a star on the shoot. He had like a whole timetable, like his eating time, his bathing time, his rest time.
Yeah?
So we were
Yeah.
also moving according to him.
yeah,
The actual star.
Yeah.
You were like choreographing stuff now. You've done music videos where you have like went all in.
yeah.
Expressions ये वो सब. Actors क्यों नहीं बने कभी? Like why didn't that pop up ever? कि हुआ था कभी?
I don't know.
This is a very common question. We all
Yeah.
don't get that.
Yeah, we do.
But
I
we're saying the same thing.
Yeah.
We're freaking him out now.
No, I feel like we are very like, we like to be a little bit of a perfectionist in what we are doing. Like till I don't know, say editing, I will not edit something. Till I don't know how to record myself properly, I will not record myself. So I feel like acting is the same. Like we've never learned acting. We can act in our music videos, which feels very natural,
Yeah.
but maybe sometimes to play a whole different character could be something that I would like to go in training for first, and then maybe do it.
Because
So-
acting for your music videos is very different. Because I feel like because now we have the liberty to write about something we've already felt.
Correct.
If you're writing about a breakup or you're writing about falling in love or a situation in your life that's
What you can
inspired
feel
you.
types. Yeah.
हाँ, तो
Yeah.
वो तुमने थोड़ा बहुत लिखा है already, and वो feeling आपने also, you've lived it. So then it's easy to act in a very contained environment with a director of your choice maybe. But, to step into the real world and act, I just think, of course, there have been so many offers.
Yeah.
But then I just think that suddenly I don't want to confuse my audience. I'm finally building a community through music who know me as a singer, who finally have started to acknowledge that we're twin sisters. We sing, we
Yeah.
write our songs. I just don't want to suddenly confuse people because I want to establish this. I feel like this is what we do, and
Right.
मुझे खुद को भी confuse नहीं करना है, like suddenly
Correct.
just choose a different career path because that's very different.
It's also, I think it's a challenge for sure.
It
Because
is.
like for example, your co-profession is singers right now. Like divulging into something will take a lot of time.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
just out of my head right now, a very good example is your friend Raghav Juyal.
Yeah.
Like from where to where now?
Yeah.
He
You know?
is a rock star.
You saw the film?
No, I
I haven't actually.
seen the movie.
Kill, na?
Yeah.
Haan.
He's killed it.
So I've heard.
No, I have
Yeah.
to
No,
see
but
the movie.
he's
You all have a music video together.
Yes.
Yeah, he's a house on fire. Like we to absolutely love him.
No, he's amazing.
good.
Yeah, like his energy is only infectious. Like he
Yeah.
enters the room and everybody starts to laugh. And everyone starts to have a good time. Everybody gets lighter. He just has that aura I can't explain. So he was always born to do great things, and now he's
That's happening.
killing
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
it. Yeah.
So we'll go to a section where this is also I'm being like मेरे सारे sections like favorite है, but this has to max out.
Okay.
everything. Like the first time I have this habit of listening to albums. Okay,
Great habit to have.
Yeah.
is it?
Yeah.
Like I don't shuffle. I go
Finish
through.
the whole
Yeah,
album.
yeah, from A
पर
to
पूरे
B.
पूरे गाने
पूरे पूरे गाने. Yeah.
क्योंकि streaming important है.
God.
It has to count as a stream.
Yeah.
But that's so amazing because then you're actually hearing the entire body of work
It's
together.
the process. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Because the artist has laid out in that way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to appreciate it. A lot of people don't know this. Actually.
Yeah, exactly. I think more people need to know that when you start an album, you need to finish it, not just randomly choose songs.
You
Because
also do that.
this is for
No,
me
it's
also.
okay for, on a normal
This is
day,
for me
but when
also.
someone has dropped an album,
Yeah.
by that perspective, एक बार सुन लेना चाहिए. थोड़ा
100%.
different.
I have so much respect for people who drop albums.
Yeah.
कि हम भी करने वाले थे, but then we got little scared because I just thought that it's such a big body of work.
Yeah.
It's easier to distribute it than to release it all and
Together,
tell
yeah.
people, chalo choose your favorite. It's risky. So I have a lot of respect for people who do it.
But a lot of people have discovered the song like this because, it's been a while now. I think this is when Levitating, the original release.
Correct.
Yeah.
And then
Couple of
I
months
think,
later
Yeah, this was actually like a project for us that was just told to us that might happen.
Oh.
And we never took it seriously. Like I remember Prakriti and me discussing that ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है मतलब एक मजाक थोड़ी ना है like we're talking about Dua Lipa like how is this even happening
Correct.
like are you joking
You all wrote it?
no Kunal Verma wrote it.
Oops, this is gonna happen, I guess.
I'm enjoying it. The unison is nice.
Yes.
Chorus singers.
Yeah. So, like, to come back to that, last 5 years में international artists बहुत आए इंडिया में अभी भी आ रहे हैं and the next lineup is crazy. Like,
Yeah. This
till
year end.
February you see
Yeah.
what's happening.
Yeah.
You have any thoughts on like why this is happening now? पहले नहीं होता था अभी क्यों हो रहा है?
I think India is just generally on the map.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, not just for music.
You think
I
we are
think
in the
for-
center of it now?
I think India has more eyeballs than it ever has been. I feel like India is a place to be, and it's not the future. I really truly think India is the present, and everyone's talking about it. And I don't think सिर्फ music में ऐसा हो रहा है. I think culturally we're on the map when it comes to tech, comes to fashion, films. Film festivals, now music, and I just think there's so many people interested in India because हर जगह से representation हो रही है, in terms of even sports. So,
Also, I feel like India has the most amount of young people, right? So, like a lot of worldwide
Yeah, we're good at
streams,
population.
literally, like we're a huge target audience for any.
No, I mean we're
country,
a great
so-
audience. I feel like
That's
India is the most easy,
Best consumer
but
we
also
are,
the
yes.
most difficult place to make it. But I feel like this era is just everybody is doing well. Because I think the most amount of hustlers you'll find are in India. Everybody wants to do better.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and we're
Everybody
a
is
lot of
working
us.
hard.
Like I feel like we're a lot of young people all together, and
Ambitious
I guess
crop.
more and more international artists need to come.
You have any like collectively or individually कोई एक artist जो इंडिया आए and you want to see them?
Sabrina Carpenter.
Yeah, Sabrina Carpenter has been like she dropped Espresso and उसके बाद से तो
Yeah.
But we've been
that's the
following
thing.
her music for such a long time.
Yeah?
Yeah, she's been around for like almost about a decade.
I know,
think.
but I don't know.
So-
Maybe वो mainstream में नहीं था or
Yeah.
was she there and people would not?
I think what happened, she opened for Taylor Swift, right?
Correct.
And then just to be exposed to those stadiums, that audience, and opening for such a big legend can
Correct.
also in turn help you in so many different ways because you take your music there and like you're introducing a whole different fan base to your
Yeah.
music, and of course that helped. And then Espresso was a banger, but I feel like she's been such a slow burner, like we've been her fans ever since, and now she's topping all the playlists.
Is she a Disney kid?
Yes.
Yes.
She is. She did
Disney
start,
के
I
साथ
think,
नाता
from
है
Disney.
तुम्हारा कुछ?
Yes.
Okay.
No, I love it. We'd love to see her in India, yeah. Even Taylor
हाँ.
Swift for that matter.
You have not seen Taylor Swift live
No,
ever.
no, we haven't
On
seen
the
Taylor
bucket
Swift.
India
yet.
concert will be crazy अगर होता है
Yeah.
तो.
Oh God, I hope we have a venue that can support it. Honestly, because her,
है ना
her
नरेंद्र मोदी
production,
स्टेडियम.
yeah, it's
But-
so
yeah.
insane. Like, I would love to.
There's-
This tour
there-
is very
yeah.
long, but I hope like something happens next year.
Y'all are Swifties then.
Yeah, we are 100%. I'm not so familiar with like the.
I think
maybe
you're the
last
first generation
album.
Swifties. Like
Yeah.
वो
Yeah.
Back to
More of
December
that.
वो वाले
Yeah,
songs
correct,
है ना?
correct. Not the recent, I think.
Not the
so
recent
much.
album so much, but yeah, like
Correct.
Taylor Swift.
Guys,
over
don't
the
come
years.
at us now because you've not heard this album.
No, maybe we like I started listening to her when she was just growing types.
I mean, but who doesn't love her? Yeah, like her songwriting just takes the cake, you know. So
Right.
it's one for the girls. It's what you enjoy with your girlfriends. So we are
But
those.
literally cannot wait for Dua Lipa to come
है
and
ना?
like actually see and put up a show here in Bombay.
Yeah.
It's going to be so much fun. And I hope she does our version.
Oh,
I think it will be so cool. Because it was actually made for Indian audiences
Yeah.
as a part of the Asia, collaborative.
are you hinting something of?
Are we?
Okay, we're on to the last segment, ठीक है? Wherein is there an artist you guys think recent में who you think will blow up in the next 5 years?
I mean,
Independent, emerging, or any?
I think Hanuman Kayan. I mean, that is a no-brainer.
Blow
at
up
this
in
point.
5 years?
Blow up in 5 years.
5 years,
He's
yeah. He's
already
already
blown
blown
up.
up. Yeah, sorry. Actually, no.
What's the question? Somebody that will blow up.
Yeah, you think
Like
that someone will blow up in the next 5 years? They're very promising career types.
You're the data guy. You have all the data. You know the playlists.
Nahin,
you tell us what you think.
I don't have so much data.
But he has just enough.
uh,
No, but I love Mitraz a lot, and I just think
Yeah.
they've already
Good,
blown
yeah.
up, you know. But I just think that very soon they're gonna be like, you know, dropping songs left, right, and center.
Yeah.
I just think that music is very vibey, you know, and for me, it's really like songs are ultimately moods and energies, you know. Stories कुछ songs होते हैं,
हाँ.
but most music that you want to just like wind down to are
Right.
just moods, and they give that.
and the
music
writing is
to
also
the-
good. Like I
Yeah.
like it.
So I really think like obviously
It's
they've
very
blown up,
pan-India.
but
Yeah.
they'll get so much more bigger with time, I think.
You have another artist or is the same?
I mean, I love Mitraz also. I feel like the whole concept of that duo, their voices, their compositions, it's brilliant.
Yeah.
And yeah, I would love to know what you think.
Yeah.
I want to know actually from you, like a female
Oh,
and a
that's-
male that you
that's the
think is
worst
going to
question
blow up.
I can
No, but I
like-
would love to know because you
Yeah.
know you understand music so much
Right,
also.
right,
Yeah.
right. There's this whole list of
Yeah, but
them.
Yeah.
somebody that you're like
Rooting for.
Hmm.
It's crazy.
What's
Out of
happening?
my mind. Let me think. Anuv Jain.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Globally.
He's
I
not.
feel.
He's not blown up. I wouldn't say he's blown up. There's still bigger stages for him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
My attention is going only to the synchronization. Yeah, but I think he should, and it's about time.
Yeah.
We see him collaborating with artists, and देखना है मेरे को what's next for him
Yeah.
because he's covered India. I want to see what happens next
Yeah.
with him.
And I hope and pray and wish for like, more and more artists to be able to do international collaborations. Like I feel like it should not feel like such a far-fetched dream. Like it's not possible because honestly it is so possible. And I feel like that's something I feel like Indian music on a global stage is something that needs to be explored so much more like now,
Right.
next year, this year,
Do you all get creative blocks?
yeah.
How
I
long?
mean that's normal. I think.
How long do they last?
Honestly, creative blocks happen right after we end up touring and traveling a lot. क्योंकि I think जब shows के लिए travel करते हैं, then it's just, it's a new experience in terms of the audience क्योंकि audience बदलती रहती है, but set list तो same ही रहती है. So when you do the same thing over and over again, I think when we come back and we hit the studio, then we're a little like, okay, we need new energies.
Right.
So that's when we face a creative block.
But also that's because we're physically tired, and I feel like creativity is so much better when your mind is empty and you're well rested.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know, it's just something that we've realized, like we can be our creative bests when we've had a good sleep, when we have been fed well, when, all these things are very, very important. They keep the creativity constantly flowing. but I don't think there has ever been a song that I have composed completely myself. So it's like if I have made the hook, she has made the cross, or she's made the mukhra, and then I've made the antra, then she's made, you know, so it's always like that. Like we're a proper mashup in that way. Like every composition that we've ever made has never been made completely by either of us. So
Right.
just when I sometimes maybe get the block, she'll like complete it.
Pick it up
So,
from there.
It's interesting how it happens like
But I think
that.
जब दोनों को creative block एक साथ होता है, what we like to do is quite literally just unplug and take a holiday.
Yeah.
I think taking a holiday is something we're taking very seriously, because the kind of people me and Sukriti are, we feel guilty when we take time off. It's just the hustle nature, right? It's
Yeah, we're missing out time types.
Productivity
yeah,
guilt.
it's a productivity guilt.
Yeah.
But I think for the last 2 years, we're working on taking a break seriously. Like when you're taking a break, take a break. Like from your mentally, physically, just be in the
I
moment.
guess even if it's 2 days, like then you can come back excited to work.
Yeah.
Because I feel like when we're not excited to work, then we can't be creative.
So
Like
you
it's-
travel basically.
Yeah,
just
probably
get out
go
of
somewhere.
town. You know, Bombay से बाहर या फिर Bombay से काफी दूर कभी कभी. But we like to, you know, take time out. And even when we are talking consciously, we'll be like, we won't talk about work.
But it'll come up only.
But it'll come
that
up.
I know. It'll constantly
It's
come
very
up.
hard because we do the same thing. You
Yeah.
know? So
Yeah, we don't have actually like even our conversations are just mostly, you know, work, because it's second nature. Like it's
Yeah.
just constantly that's what we are doing. Like she'll wake up in the morning, or I'll wake up in the morning. I'll go to her room and I'll be like, okay, so what are we doing today? What's the plan? And then
That's
have you
all the time?
Yeah, it's every
Y'all
day.
don't like binge
usual.
watch TV
No, of
shows.
course
and
course
stuff.
we do.
हाँ,
But the thing is, like, we're not just sisters, we're business partners. So
हाँ.
how much ever we want, we can't chill just as sisters. काम की
Right.
बात तो आएगी.
हाँ, of course.
So when we talk about taking a break, consciously we are trying to not talk about work. Because I think when you love something or anything, in fact, you need to make room to miss it.
Yeah.
Then you have better energies, and तब creative block नहीं होता है.
Right.
When you're excited to go back to work.
That's interesting to know. Like, एक ही घर में रह के,
Yeah.
you know, balancing it out. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, that way you can stay motivated. I feel like it keeps us driven, because one of us also gets lazy, the other one's like, no, get it together. But
but what
Yeah,
else?
that happens a lot. That happens a lot.
What else you guys do for like fun, chill types? Like watch TV shows maybe.
we like to
I-
shop.
Yeah, we like. I mean, honestly,
I like to cook.
Yeah.
She likes to eat.
Yeah, she cooks. I can't cook. I just think it's very boring. Because I honestly, jab you spend so much time cooking, then you're not hungry. Then what's the point of putting
Well,
in
the
all
point
that
is you
effort?
feed. That's that.
Yeah, that's a very you thing.
It's not.
So we'll keep it you. But I guess lately I'm just like understanding like happiness and all. Like people say like you have to, it's your own choice and you have to constantly be happy. Happiness is just simply like enjoying small things that you're doing, you know, like when your day starts, like
Right.
having your cup of coffee or like going for a nice shower and then getting ready and then looking forward to the day. It's like small things like that, and then they kind of just define your mood, which becomes your day. So it's
Wow.
literally just that, because it's just something big or something like that is not like happiness, and it's like a lesson that I'm like constantly reminding myself. But like if you keep your mood happy, then you're gonna have a good day only.
Wow. Y'all don't fight?
We fight.
We fight.
मतलब ऐसा
We can
quarrels type, छोटा मोटा.
See,
Oh,
that's
that's
the
right.
thing. It's only these small things that we keep fighting about. The big things we don't fight about, but it's
Yeah.
always like the most stupidest things in the world.
Like as
that
twin
we fight
sisters,
about.
sisters, you might be sharing wardrobes, no?
Yeah.
100%.
It's one of the pluses of being a twin. What do we fight about?
I think we fight about like, you know, like small things like you didn't tell me this or you didn't tell me that,
Or I didn't like your tone.
or yeah. Yeah. Or then how
Especially-
could you say that in front of that person? It's these things.
Yeah, or why does this person know? Why didn't you tell me?
Yes, sir.
And why did you wear my top?
हाँ.
Things like that also.
कपड़े तो obviously
Yeah.
यहाँ वहाँ होने ही वाले हैं.
Especially if I'm not home and then I come to know from Instagram that she's worn my clothes and gone for a meeting. I'll be like, excuse me, ask me first.
God.
I think the last big fight we had is because Galti se I had her charger with me and our driver with me. So she was stranded and she didn't have battery.
Yeah, that was a
or
bad
the
fight.
car or her
Or
phone
she's
or anything.
labeling it
and
as a
then
bad fight.
Yeah, because she took my charger and I was stranded. मतलब
Na battery.
कैब बुलाने का बैटरी नहीं
So that's worse than-
like in the middle of the road. Plus it was raining, so like I was drenched. पता नहीं मैं कहाँ पे थी. रिक्शा के भी पैसे नहीं थे, so I was just like
Google Pay भी नहीं है.
Google Pay भी नहीं है. I was stranded.
No,
so
this is bad, yeah. That's
yeah,
worse than
I felt
borrowing
really
clothes.
I took money from my guard, so I was like, "You can't take my charger and my driver. Like, give me one at least."
Crazy.
Yeah, I felt really bad. It was one of those things.
Wow. Let's go on to that.
Yeah, don't remind me of the fight, Yana.
Nice. I'm happy. I don't know why I'm feeling happy to make your fight now.
But you know, it's really stupid things like this. So it's
And
like,
they don't last.
But being twins has always been like मतलब ऐसे फायदे भी हुए रहेंगे ना बहुत सारे.
yeah, I mean, I guess like for
Have
a
you
very
all
long
have
time.
you all represented on someone's behalf? Like you went on her behalf or something like that?
Yeah, we used to.
Like I've seen in like
When we
Zack
were,
and
like,
Cody.
Zack and Cody. Oh my
Sweet
god.
life.
It wasn't so sweet actually.
Yeah.
Like we take like one membership somewhere and then we both will
Oh.
show up on it.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And yeah, stuff like that.
We were earlier talking about you all, borrowing clothes from each other and stuff like that. Urfi Javed comes to my mind randomly because she appears on the feed wearing things.
Yeah.
I would want to call it creative because I don't want to judge anyone. But have you all seen the new show?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have actually.
Finished it. Now see, that's something we binge watched.
It was very entertaining.
Is
I
she,
watched it with my dad.
It's like bringing the Kardashians here or what? Like matlab, that concept.
I don't
How is
know. I
that?
think you'll have to ask her only what her plan is. But I felt like it was very
Is it entertaining?
entertaining and fun to watch. Yeah.
It was very entertaining. Like I was just like, अच्छा ऐसा भी हो सकता है, like it was like that. I think also she's very strong and very bold and very opinionated, and it's just refreshing to see a woman not hide anything. Everything's on camera, like A to Z. So it's just interesting. I'm sure I don't know anybody like that. So it was just
Damn.
pure entertainment.
It's something new for India to watch.
Yeah.
Yeah,
है ना?
100%.
बहुत नया है, पहले नहीं था ऐसा कुछ भी.
Yeah.
कभी नहीं था.
No, I found it entertaining. In fact, I watched it with my family. We were all watching it together, and it was very fun evening for us.
I think you
But I
have a
love
lot
her,
of
dude. I
feedback.
feel like she's so unapologetic, and like you can be like that. It's just like she's very, very strong and cool, and like she knows what she wants, and
Damn.
that's very cool.
It's that's what I'm saying. It's very refreshing to see a woman not care about what people think.
Yeah.
Because everyone cares about what
Yeah.
people think, and
That's the main
I can't
thing.
even imagine what it would feel like to just be unabashedly yourself and not give a shit about people.
But that's her.
Because I do give a shit about people, so it was refreshing
Yeah.
to watch someone.
Super. You have a lot of things to talk about.
Yeah.
We'll get to that segment. We are doing that.
You can keep us as like chill as possible.
Yeah,
Yeah.
चलो.
Like we're not trying to.
नहीं मुझे पहले आप 3 songs बता दो.
Okay.
Oh, that.
So,
Then end में game कर लेंगे.
So, wow, 3 songs.
हाँ.
Any, right? Anything
Any.
random.
Any.
So I'll just get done with it.
Yeah, no one's judging you.
So I'm literally gonna tell you like the first 3 liked songs that I have right now. One is Charlie, Apple, the Brat album. I'm like
Okay.
the whole trend. You have to check it out.
I have not.
The
Brat.
Wow. We don't know about the Brat and Demure trend.
Oh, that
Yeah.
Demure wala
Yeah,
song.
yeah,
Okay,
very
okay.
dim,
Got
very
it, got it.
mindful.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm like really vibing to Apple. I think it's a super fun song by Charlie XCX. And then I have Espresso.
Wow.
But this is the Espresso version, which is like the longer version.
Yeah, I have not heard this one.
She released an album just of Espresso, different versions of
Like it's a
Oh.
full EP with like different
गाना
versions.
इतना अच्छा लगा लोगों को कि 6 versions सुनो, like that.
Nice. I'll check it out.
Yeah, it's just a longer version of the same thing.
And the third one?
And the third one. See, my songs are coming now, so I'm trying to.
Okay.
Come on.
Wait, I'm trying to find the last fun one.
You go.
Yeah, you know
Yeah,
what
yeah,
I'll
you
do.
go, you go, you go.
First one is this song which I don't understand lyrics of, but for me is Vibes. It's called
Okay.
Mawaki.
Milwaukee.
MWAKI.
We'll send you links.
It's
Yes, please.
Should I play it? It's like this. I'm sure you've heard it. No, not this, sorry. You heard this.
Copyright दिलवाओगे ना
know?
मस्त episode.
Yeah, you can't play it.
But it's just like, I don't know. Every time I sit in my car, this is the first song I play. It's, I
Milwaukee.
think it's South African or something. I don't know.
All right.
But it's
Second?
just vibes. Second is the song called Zehen by Mitras.
Yeah,
It's
beautiful
like
song.
cute
Very
and it's
nice.
very soft.
Yes.
I think third would be this song Still the Same by King and Abhijay.
Yeah.
It's very
Interesting.
vibey.
Yeah.
Especially Abhijay's part. I love that. Very beautiful melody.
आपका तीसरा सॉन्ग बाकी है.
बहुत सारे हैं यार.
एक ही बताना है.
Okay.
Zid.
Yeah, Zid. See, I'm gonna say like my songs,
Not
but
allowed.
like
I can say your songs. You know
yeah. I'll just say Tu Kahe Tu. It's just released. It's like 4 days old. So go add it to your playlist.
that. All right. Promotions.
Yeah. No, I think you like that song, so you can add it to your playlist.
Done. This is a good bunch. People will be excited to see what Sukupuku are listening
Yeah.
to. Or Supra is listening
I'll
to.
actually put a nice playlist on my profile because I like do that once in a while,
Yeah.
but very rarely. So I haven't spent too much time with the new music. I will do this soon, and I'll send it to you first.
Yes, please.
Awesome.
So on to the next and the final part. This is a game. Who is most likely to?
Yeah.
I'm sure you've done this
Yes,
zillion
this
times
one-
before, but
I'm hoping your questions are very original this time.
God, pressure में डाल दिया ना एकदम.
We're twins. Can you imagine how much we played this? It's our favorite game.
हाँ,
It's usually me pointing everything at you, so I hope
Okay.
it's different.
Yeah, I hope it's different.
I don't know. We could have a twist to it, maybe. I don't
Okay,
know.
yeah.
Okay. The first one. Who is most likely to get married first?
Don't do this. We've discussed this.
Okay, there's been a discussion.
Yeah, I think, yeah. Am I really saying this out loud in an interview? Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah. I
Okay.
think it'll be Prakriti.
You're not
first.
digging deep.
Yeah.
Plain questions.
Probably going to be, yeah.
See?
Alright.
Okay.
Most likely to get a snake as a pet.
Nobody.
Nobody. Who does that? Like,
Okay,
who's
okay.
doing all this?
Random. Let's add one more person. How about Akriti Didi will do it?
No.
Take a snake as a pet?
No?
No,
She
no,
just
no,
had
no,
a baby. No,
Oh,
thanks.
so
no,
cute.
Well, we don't like
Nahi?
reptiles.
How is her personality like though? Like I've never.
She's very demure, very proper.
She like the elder sister. Type.
Yeah, she's
Yeah, proper elder sister vibe.
like a mom, you
Yeah.
know. I mean, she was like a mother for a long time, and now we're more like friends, but
Damn.
full elder sister proper
Vibes.
vibes.
Most likely to forget birthdays.
We're equally bad at this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But today only I reminded you to
But
wish
she's
somebody.
much better than
Okay.
me. So
Yeah, I'm
me
a little
again.
like more responsible.
Yeah.
in-
You're more
Things.
organized than her or what?
yeah.
Acha. You're not even
Yeah.
looking at me. Yeah.
Most likely to live in a haunted house.
She could. I could not. I told
She-
you I'm
yeah.
scared of
What
the
are you saying?
darkness. I
Yeah.
can't.
I mean, I don't know.
She loves her
Like, am I
horror
getting
movies.
paid for it? Maybe.
Like alone के हिसाब
No,
से तो-
she's
no.
very like, you know, like even as
second, like-
babies, you go to bhoot banglas and like fun things like that. She's never
to
done
cry.
any of it.
Yeah.
I used to
She doesn't
cry.
even watch horror movies. So
So how come you did the song for that horror movie?
oh my
है
god,
ना?
never
वो
even
मैंने
thought.
मूवी नहीं देखी थी आई थिंक
Wow.
यूट्यूब पे
But,
गाना एंजॉय किया बस
But like a very genuine question. आप लोग के साथ कभी कुछ हुआ ऐसा horror experience? Spiritual.
Once.
Yeah.
Once, like literally once, but maybe it's just
इन आवर हेड
in our heads. but
बताओ अगर हो सके तो.
I'll tell you.
आई डोंट नो
But this is the last time I want to talk about it.
Okay. Let's go.
So this happened a year and a half. year and a half ago. In fact, my manager's also here. We 3 of us experienced this together, and it was the winters. I think it was around maybe like Feb or Jan or something, and we were in
Bikaner.
Bikaner.
Bikaner, na?
Or
Yeah.
Pushkar. Yeah, we were in
Bikaner.
Bikaner for a show, and we were staying at this hotel. I'm not going to name it, but a very famous hotel. Very beautiful 5-star, lovely property. And we had a flight super early in the morning, like around 6 or 5. So we had to obviously leave for the airport at around like 4 o'clock.
No, it was 3.
3,
like
yeah,
that
the
devil hour.
yeah, of
Oh,
course.
okay.
It's
Proper
like 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock, yeah. 3:30.
So we finished our show and we were chilling with our band after the show for a little time, and we were like, nahi soenge, anyway we have to leave early.
And for some reason in the entire hotel, you know, we like to eat with our band after the show. They had this courtyard, right?
Okay.
Like, which was like an open space, and it was a very, very pretty place. And when the sun's out, it's all good.
Right.
Raat ko, for some reason, they didn't have any staff. Like, no, like there was one person
In the
taking the
whole
order,
hotel.
serving everything. Like, there's
Okay.
just no like room service is not an option. So you have to eat outside at that courtyard, that
Correct.
restaurant. And there are just not enough people to take orders or to serve or anything. And there's, you know, bahar guard nahi hai, koi bhi nahi hai, like proper andhera. So we were
Damn.
already finding that very strange that where is everyone, you know?
Anyway, and then I think we were just like, let's leave, like not feeling good about this
You
place.
got the vibes.
Yeah, so didn't even want to rest in the room. We were like, we'll just go to the airport and get out. And
Stay at the airport.
we were literally on our way to the lift, and we were all on the same floor. So there's this courtyard which is like full complete darkness. It's like this big square in the middle, and there are rooms here and then there are rooms here. We have all taken our luggage. It's really cold and there's fog, and we have taken our bags and we're going literally towards the lift, and we just see some shadows just follow us when we are going into the lift. And the craziest part is we all saw this, but we thought we were imagining it. So we've literally ran to the lift, 3 of us, and we've pressed the ground button, and we have literally ran and sat into the car, and nobody has said anything to each other. But the second we sat in the car, we were like, guys, did you see some? And then all 3 of us like, you
Oh,
too, you
shit.
too, you too. And it was just so crazy
Getting
because हमने
goosebumps.
discuss भी नहीं किया था, and all 3 of us saw the same thing, and we were so scared to even talk about it. We were like, let's just get into the car. And that whole, it took us 2 hours to reach to the airport, and that whole rasta was like white. Like
It
there
was
was just
fogged
fog.
out. It was just fog.
Shit.
So it
So we were
was
freaked out even in the car for that 1 hour because rasta hi nahi dikh raha tha, you know.
Baap re.
So it was just a very strange experience, and it was just a shadow. Like it was just like a silhouette, like a black
But
dark
the fact
silhouette.
that everyone saw it,
yeah.
and it ran so fast with us, like
It
I
was
can't
just like,
explain it.
You know, a human can't run that
yeah.
fast.
It was like this
felt like
flash with us, and
But that's it. No
That's
other bad
scary.
experiences.
But that is scary.
Enough for us.
Damn.
Yeah. God, I saw it again, you
We
know.
changed the vibe of this.
yeah, you did. Yeah.
You know?
Sounds good.
Sounds scary, yeah. Most likely to snore the loudest. आप लोग नहीं. She does curl up in your bed.
Yeah.
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 Sometimes
She's the
Suko will
baby.
just wake up and she'll be like, "Tu
Arre.
kab aayi?" Because I don't know how it just better pillows maybe, I don't know.
Yeah.
It-
Better bedding. I take my
Bedding.
bedding very seriously.
That's
Like I
true.
like my bed, and your bed is very hard.
But I like it.
Yeah, I don't like.
That's why she doesn't sleep on it.
Yeah.
Okay. Most likely to end up in jail. For any random reasons.
Yeah.
Hey,
Kuch bhi.
I don't
End
know.
up in jail.
Yeah. Sometimes I feel
I'll take
like
you with me if I'm going. I'm not going there. alone.
That's less likely, right?
less
बहुत
likely,
एकदम
more
सीधे साधे,
likely. That's
है
it.
ना?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's crazy. She does. She can be like a little crazy.
She keeps me tamed.
Yeah.
God. That's required or what?
Yeah.
Well, that's about it.
Your last question is about jail.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Awesome.
God, this was a fun chat, yeah. I never imagined this would navigate into such amazing conversations like this.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
was
this
actually
was so much
nice.
fun.
Yeah.
Didn't feel like we're meeting for the first time.
Yeah, same.
To be continued.
To be
Yeah.
continued.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
doing this. Means a lot to me, to be honest. Yeah.
Thank you. I think we had so much fun. We discussed everything: music, not music, horror
Yeah.
stories. I think
Yeah.
we did it all. So thank you for having us.
Thank you. And honestly, like, love the questions and love the
Huh?
vibe.
Yes. So guys, this was it. Supra for y'all, and one amazing conversation that we had. Music, not music, everything.
Yeah.
I want you to tell the audience what's next.
What's next? Well, I think we have, this year been as consistent as ever. And we're going to keep that consistency going on with all our music. And for now, we're enjoying Tu Kahe To, which is just released a few
Yes.
days ago. And the next one,
Comes out. I think you can expect it in September last week or October first week if everything goes according to plan. It's a very, very exciting song for us. Music video bhi hai for everybody who wants to
let's
know.
go.
So
I'm excited.
yeah, I feel like classic Supra song. We're back and it's gonna be a big one and just need all the love and all the support.
and some really, really, really interesting collaborations coming. So I
Yeah.
guess,
Yes.
guys, keep looking
Onwards
forward.
and upwards.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank
This
you
was
for
so
having
much
us.
fun.